So, second panel here. And yes, that's piece of cake. The first question is, how do we face this frame? Where do we put it? The correct answer is facing directly to the south, because the sun is moving in south, and in Baltic states at least south is the most optimum direction for solar panels. Second issue, what you should ask, how big is the angle of this frame and angle between here, between the ground? The most optimum angle to get most out of the solar sunshine is between 30 and 45 degrees, depending on your location, Estonia, Latvia or Lithuania. And that's how you should build it. Just make sure here you have, let's say, 35 degrees and build the frame, and then face it to the south. And maybe for you interesting to know why sometimes on the big rooftops and in big solar parks they actually install panels with smaller angle than 40 degrees. Let's say in Estonia it's common 20 degrees, 19 degrees, quite flat on the roof. The reason is because there are many panels standing behind each other in many rows, and if they are put like this with very sharp angle, then they will start to shade each other, and this will reduce the efficiency of the whole solar park tremendously. So the only solution to this one is just a little bit flatten the angle, not 45 but 20, and get most optimum or maximum power out of this whole solar park.